Let's get back to the next weather alert. Grant is here, not so
Come on, G.
Hey, guys.
Tell us, man.
Okay, well, look, while this is a storm that we need to be concerned about, we need to
Right.
prepare for, there's a couple of major differences, and I think one of them is the timing of it, right? This time Tuesday, remember, it was really heavy. It was right there toward the evening rush. Just a nasty night to go home to, and then it was a nasty morning commute on Wednesday. We don't have that normal morning commute tomorrow.
Okay.
No?
Right.
So.
Stay in.
Good news, right? So, yeah, stay in, go home, get some takeout, and just hang out. I mean, because it's gonna be a rough night. We might lose some power. So I think that's one note I think we could say. Go home, charge up your devices. You've been using your phone all day. Go home, charge it. Make sure you've got your laptops charged, your phones charged, just in the off chance that you do lose power. You never expect to, but when you do, you'll be glad that you're all charged up. View from the Ben Franklin, looking back over in Philly this evening. Everything seems to be running smoothly along the Ben right now. Temperatures near 45 degrees in Philadelphia. Wind starting to pick up a little bit. Wind speeds at 23 miles per hour. So we're starting to get some gustier conditions out there. Kind of an odd situation here. Watch your temperatures. 45, 49, 51 degrees by 11 o'clock. By 3 o'clock in the morning, temperatures will be near 60. That's a strong southerly flow out ahead of this low pressure system, bringing in the heavy rain and those gusty conditions that we'll see arrive certainly into the first half of the overnight, peaking through the middle of the night, and then all beginning to clear out into early tomorrow morning. It's just cloudy skies across most of the area. Maybe a few sprinkles up through the Lehigh Valley. A couple of snowflakes possible into the Poconos. That warm southerly surge, that will overtake any winter precipitation, change it over to all rain, and it will be quite a bit of rain. But again, one of those notable differences between this storm and Tuesday's storm is that the timeline, the time frame for when the storm will be here will be much shorter. In fact, about half the amount of time. We started to see heavy rain move in on noon on Tuesday, and we haven't even seen those showers arrive quite yet, but they will. It will get heavy at times. Those light showers at first change over to heavy rainfall. Watch as we go into those overnight hours, those oranges, even some of those pockets of reds, locally heavy rainfall that could quickly add up ½ inch to an inch in a relatively short period of time. Those gusty conditions, even outside of the heaviest of the rainfall, will be possible as we see the whole system push through the area. There goes the frontal boundary, and then those winds will begin to shift as we go through the day tomorrow. Notice that snow back into western PA. Look at those temperatures there. Back into Pittsburgh tomorrow morning. Temperatures near 28 degrees in Pittsburgh. Meanwhile, we'll still be near 53, but that cooler air begins to arrive. That cold air settles in as we go through the weekend, and I know what you're thinking. You're saying, what about this storm system into next week? Well, I'll tell you what we know right now. There's going to be an area of low pressure that develops out of the southeast. They're off the Florida Panhandle there near Jacksonville. It will track to the north and east. It's a question at this point. How well does that low pressure system develop? Does it get organized in time? It'll drop some moisture. A stronger low pressure system will bring more moisture and throw more of that moisture into that cold air mass that sets up shop this weekend. Still trying to determine exactly how that all plays out. So we know the cold air is going to be in place, but how strong will that low pressure system be? And like I said, where does it track? There's kind of three possibilities right now. If it tracks a little bit farther inland, the better chance of snow is more so open to the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. I think our question at this point is, does it travel right along the coast, a deep area of low pressure, stronger storm system that gives everybody a better chance of snow? Or does it track a little farther east? Is it a little bit weaker? And does that give us a complete miss? Our snow drought continues. We will figure that out in the coming days. So stay tuned. Let's get through tonight first, and then we'll start to put those details together as we head through Saturday into Sunday. For tonight, though, 50 degrees, but we're watching the rain, those gustier conditions. The rain will clear out as we go through early tomorrow morning. It stays breezy through the day tomorrow, and then we're really focusing our attention on those colder temperatures. And then anytime we get a storm system with those cold temperatures, guys, we have to watch out for the possibility of some snow. We'll see. We'll watch Tuesday for you.
I know you got your eye on it. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it.